Professional service employees are the epitome of a highly mobile workforce. Always on the run, consultants are constantly trying to find ways to be more productive. Well, thanks to advances in mobile computing, you'll now be able to turn unproductive downtime into productive time. With SAP mobile applications, your consultants will be able to get work done at any time, any place. They'll have access to information right when they need it. They'll be able to expedite critical decisions, and they'll be able to reduce administrative efforts. So let's see this in action by walking through the day in the life of an engagement manager using mobile applications. So let's say you just got off the plane and you're going to see a customer you haven't seen in a while. You're in a cab and you probably want to come up to speed on what's been going on out at that account. So you can log into the virtual boardroom to run some reports for that particular customer. In particular, we want to see outstanding balances, work in progress, and unpaid invoices. Of interest, we can see down here that the particular customer you're seeing has a high level of unpaid invoices. Good to know when you go to see them. That was good information, but you're going to want to get a 360-degree view of your customer. That's exactly what the customer briefing does. It allows you to drill in and take a look at all the information from various different sources in regards to this customer. You want to review key people at this organization, just a couple taps, and you're reviewing videos and internet information about the CEO. Opportunities allows you to look at the back-end CRM system and take a look at what's hot for this particular customer. SRM is top of mind. Even review the opportunity assessment before you show up on site. Also, it might be interesting for you to review any news. This might be news coming from CNN or YouTube or Yahoo or wherever, all at your fingertips. So now you've been completely briefed. You have the information you need to go visit this client. Now you show up, you're working with the client, and you've identified a hot mobility project. Wouldn't it be great if you could go out and search your organization to find candidates to staff this project? That's exactly what the Expert Finder will allow you to do. Here we can see a list of all of our resources. We want to filter by people who know mobile devices and the mobile platform. Now we have a list down to 7. You'll be able to come down and look at these individuals and review what they've done on previous projects. You can review their resumes, anything that's interesting to you. As you browse through them, you bookmark the ones that you like. And now you have a short list of candidates you want to review with the customer. You can sort that by industry, by language, whatever suits your needs. In this particular case, you identify Jennifer Brown is the top candidate. She speaks the language, she has experience in this particular industry. You can go ahead and shoot her an email saying that she should get ready to ramp up for this project. Okay, so that meeting went well. Now you're on your way back to the hotel and the CFO calls you. He wants to know what's going on with a particular invoice from one of your customers. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull up our customer fact sheet. This gives us access to financial information for our key customers. Here's the customer in question. And now immediately we can see outstanding balances, credit limits, risk, DSO, all the important information for that particular customer. Now, what's in question here is a particular unpaid invoice. Notice I can tap and drill down into those invoices to see the exact details. Here's the actual invoice itself, so you'll be able to get all the information you need. Now you'll be ready to call that client, find out what's going on, and get back to the CFO immediately. Okay, so you're on your way back to the airport, riding in the cab. Let's see how you can turn that into productive time as well. With travel and expense management, you'll be able to do your admin task right here from your iPhone, riding in a cab. In this case, let's say you want to add a car rental receipt. Enter the amount, and you're on your way. You can even take a picture of the actual receipt and submit it with your final expenses. Now, on the weekend, instead of working on those expenses and admin tasks, you can work on your golf game instead. You've now seen a brief tour of the day in the life of an engagement manager. You saw how SAP mobile applications will allow you to get work done at any time from anywhere. You also saw how you'll have access to information right when you need it, how you can expedite those critical decisions, and how you can reduce those admin tasks. I'd like to thank you for watching.